Alright, sports fans. So, if you recall, I found this cool video that Arturo Tedeschi, the God, put on his YouTube account like some time ago, and I'm going to show you guys how to remake it again. We're using Grasshopper primarily that we've been working on. You know, we took an image, drew some curves of it that were straight from the image that he had, and then we chucked it all into Cocoon, which is a really great plugin. There's a web page. You can make really cool looking stuff quite easily, quite quickly. So we've got our result that comes out of Cocoon, and we're now going to use Mesh Machine to dynamically remesh our mesh. And Mesh Machine. And you might see I've got two here. So again, this comes from, is it Kangaroo 1? It's pretty old. So there's this one, and I've got also this one as well. You might have different versions, but either way, the main difference is one version of it you can get it to run for certain iterations. So rather than with this one, you've got to hook up a timer to it, and you do have to for this one as well. But it's kind of like, you know how there's the bouncy solver in Kangaroo 2 and the zombie solver. The zombie solver is you can just set it to run for like 100 iterations. Bouncy solver is like dynamic. So what it'll do is it'll take this mesh and it'll take like a target edge length and go, all right, all the edges in this mesh are varied. We really want to try and get them to one singular one, and it'll, depending on the inputs you have here, depending, it'll want to change the shape of that mesh to achieve that certain target edge length, while like maybe maintaining the overall form of the mesh, and et cetera, et cetera. So let's jump into it. Why don't we say we want a target edge length of 40, like we originally started with 30. So let's see what happens there. What else am I going to hook in? I'm going to put a data dam in. Data dam. Just in case I come back and change things here. I only want to be pushing one mesh into here because this can take some time as well. So we'll plug that in, and we'll turn that off. And so what happens is, out of here, I don't think we're doing anything yet. I'll go also start to put a button into here. What will happen is a plankton mesh will come out of here, and the way we can turn that back into a regular mesh is just by doing this and then going, we already have a result that's coming out like so. Custom preview, and then we better match Arturo's one and go white. There we go. And I just need to turn that one off. There we go. Maybe make it a bit grey so we can see it a bit more. What colour? I know what I can do. Whoop. There we go. Okay, so we want an edge length of 40, and we want we'll start going through here. We're not going to fix any curves or vertices at the moment. Flip, no, we're going to use a definition, an input for pull strength. We're going to make our pull strength about 0.1, which means we're trying to pull to our target geometry a bit. So we go 0.167, Cool. And then we can look at our curvature adaptivity. If greater than 0, edges will be shorter in regions of tighter curvature, which is good, which is sometimes you might want it. Maybe we'll leave it at 0.7 for now, and I'll leave it for you guys to play around with. Awesome. And then I'm going to leave a few of these for now, and then I'm going to put a timer in. Make it an interval of like 100 milliseconds, and turn it off for now. Cool. So I'm going to turn the timer on soon. It's going to start to dynamically remesh this. So, so if you didn't want to do this, you can also just plug a certain amount of iterations in. So if I went like 12, it'll run this 12 times, and you see it take a little bit of time to run, and then I'll reset it, and there it goes. But I'm just going to take that out, and I'm going to dynamically do it now, like I on the go, and I'll show you the result. And I'll do that in the next video. And remember to hit the like button if you thought this was useful. Thanks, guys.